HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, so we're working on the Genesis again today, and we're installing a 9-drive pedal controller. So it's a throttle response, changes all of that. It's just got an input and an output, and it just adjusts that to make your pedal more or less responsive. There's multiple modes on here. You've got like an economy mode, you've got, all these different ones. So that should make it a little better, because when you press the gas on these things, it's like, whoa, and it finally comes into play. Hopefully getting rid of that. On the actual pedal itself, there's just one little plug right here. Under that plug is one bolt. Take that out, this whole thing falls to the side, and I'll show you the wires. All right, guys, so the pedal just slips over that, and then one bolt goes down here. There's the wire. So we're gonna unplug that, and then under here, you have a male and a female. So you go in and out on here, okay, and that just loops it through into this. So that goes into the control module, okay? And then you've got a lightning plug for an iPhone that actually plugs it into here. I don't know why they chose the lightning plug, but that's what it is. So all of this kind of stays near the bottom. You run this nice thin cord up to the top and plug this on. I also don't know why I got this like rose gold look. That's not the color I picked. I didn't pick a color. So maybe that was the problem. So Jackson, you fixing it? So let me get that installed and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, guys, there it is, and it only goes one way, so you don't have to screwing that up. It just goes in and out here and here. That one will plug in our module, and then we'll hide all of that down there beside it, and it should be good to go. Then we'll run our little cord up. All right, guys, so I've got it just tucked all the way in behind the plastic there, and the wire is running up just in the seat at the moment. So I got to figure out where I want to put this thing. I don't know if I just want to leave it down here where you can't see it, or if I want to run it on up higher or what, but I got to figure that part out now. Might plug it in and try it first. All right, guys, so here are the modes. So you've got comfort mode, sport mode, racing mode. You got a normal mode, which does nothing. Fuel efficient economy mode, automatic mode. I guess that just kind of chooses what it wants to do for you. And then a manual mode. So, I guess if you've got automatic or manual. So a couple different things to do here. Pretty cool. We'll see what it sees. All right, guys, so here is no, and you see, pretty slow response. If I flip this thing over to comfort mode, it's already better. Sport mode, a little better. When it's in full race mode, it's got, look at that. It comes on and off the throttle so quick. That's excellent. That's way better than it was. And I had all these running at the highest setting, so the strongest setting. That's pretty dang cool. So there we go. All right, guys, I've just set it down in a little cubby down in there. But I'll tell you what, it's on the sport setting right now, because the competition, race setting or whatever it is way faster than what it really needs. I mean, it's insane. It's crazy how fast. I mean, it pulls crazy hard. It's giving it much quicker throttle response and more throttle overall for the amount of throttle that you're putting in. I mean, it's insane just how much pickup it has. Even like taking off in with a race mode on. I mean, it's almost, I'm trying to explain it, like it's the way that it pulls, like it's almost, I had to re-figure out where's the clutch gonna let out at, and how much power do I have to give it, to make it go, and it's not much. It makes it almost a little bit hard to take off, but even in the sports setting like here, it really pulls hard, which is pretty crazy. So it's really, really, really good thing to buy. So if you can buy one of these, I would do it, because it is awesome. I mean, it's well worth the money. $40 or whatever it was. not bad at all. And it total different feel in the car. I mean, it feels really good. So definitely a good buy.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.